So today we'll discuss nucleophilic addition reaction, next example, with ammonia and its derivatives. Okay. So yesterday I told also that what is ammonia. In ammonia, nitrogen having one lone pair. Okay. Or we can say in ammonia what happens? There is a 3 hydrogens. This is ammonia structure having one lone pair. And due to this lone pair, it's act as a nucleophile, or even we can say all nucleophile are Lewis base also. So this is ammonia, okay? But in ammonia, if one hydrogen will be replaced by any other substituent, so then it creates, suppose this hydrogen is substituted by some another, this hydrogen will be substituted by some another substituent, that is suppose any another group, not H, then we can represent Z, okay? So that will be called what? NS2Z, okay? So simply we can say NS2Z. So now the reaction of carbonyl compound with this group NS2Z. Now Z will be what? Z may be anything. Okay. So there is a common group is NH2 and the Z may be anything. You can see what possible will be Z. Suppose if Z is, here writing in Z. Now suppose this, if Z is hydrogen, so this is ammonia. Okay. So Z may be hydrogen, that will be ammonia also. Z may be not hydrogen, another substituent like NS2. So this is called hydrazine, or it may be NHPH. PH means phenyl group. So that is called phenylhydrazine. This may be NHPH. PH is this. So that is phenylhydrazine. But in this pH, there may be 2 nitro group attached. So what is the name of this compound? This is first position. This is second position. So what we can write? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called 2,4 dinitro phenyl hydrazine. Okay. In shortcut, we say 2,4-DNP, which used for distinguish test, means to confirmation of the carbonyl group. Now this NS2, this Z may be OH. So now when the Z will be OH, so it is called hydroxylamine. Now Z may be more possible, more one structure, I can write over here. So now this Z will be, that will be maybe another group also, that is NHCO NH2, which is called semicarbazide. Semicarbazide, right? So these are the ammonia derivatives, ammonia and ammonia derivatives. So the name of these derivatives are these: hydrazine. If it is NS2, that is called hydrazine. If NS2NHPH, that is phenylhydrazine. NS2NHPH 2,4-DNP. NS2OH, that is called hydroxylamine. And NS2NHCO NS2, that is called semicarbazide. Okay. So these are the ammonia derivatives. Hydroxylamine, I can write over here. Okay, so this is hydroxylamine. Okay, all these are nucleophile. Why these all are nucleophile? Because everywhere nitrogen having what? Lone pair. And due to this lone pair, this is nucleophile, or we can say it is Lewis base. And due to nucleophilic in nature, it undergoes for nucleophilic addition reaction with carbonyl group. Okay. So like this, these are having all lone pair. Now you can see for simple reaction, then we can see the mechanism. Okay. So what are the simple reaction? Okay, so what is a reaction? This carbonyl group reacts with ammonia, that is NH2Z, in which what simple reaction occur? There is a loss of water molecule like this. So this carbonyl group reacts with ammonia or ammonia derivative to lose this water molecule and form product, that is C double bond NZ. So in all cases you get the same product. So in all cases, ammonia and ammonia derivative, this carbonyl group, simple reaction you can write. There is this NH2 में जो hydrogen है, that will be released in the form of water. And you are getting C double bond NZ. So this is this. Now, if the Z is hydrogen, means when I said when it is ammonia, suppose if Z is hydrogen, that is ammonia, then it is called imine. Okay, or simply just I write once more. Okay, so suppose if this Z is hydrogen, that is ammonia, then the product will be written in what? NH, which is called imine. अमोनिया से इमीन बन जाता है, ठीक है. सो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमीन बाय लॉस ऑफ H2O. बाकी रिएक्शन सब में सेम होगा. इफ सपोज दिस Z इज NH2Z, NH2 sorry, this is called what is the name of this compound? Tell me. This is hydrazine. So hydrazine forms NH2 हो जाएगा, Z हो गया ये तुम्हारा. तो ये क्या बना देगा? हाइड्राजीन से क्या बन जाता है? हाइड्राजोन. ठीक है, हाइड्राजीन फॉर्म हाइड्राजोन. इसके बाद तुम्हारा फिनाइल हाइड्राजीन है, तो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल टेक? N. यहाँ पे तुम्हारा NHPH आ जाएगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड फिनाइल हाइड्राजीन एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज फिनाइल हाइड्राजोन. सो हाइड्राजीन से हाइड्राजोन बन जाता है. जो भी हाइड्राजीन लेते हो दैट कन्वर्ट इनटू हाइड्राजोन. If you take phenyl hydrazine, you get phenyl hydrazone. If you want to write all reaction, you can write, no problem. Okay. So you are getting in all cases there is a loss of water molecule. If you are taking this 2,4-DNP, just I wrote, this is 2,4-DNP, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Okay. So when carbonyl compound react with, again there is a loss of water molecule here. Okay. And what you are getting the product, that is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. फिनाइल हाइड्राजीन से क्या बन जाएगा? फिनाइल हाइड्राजोन. 2,4 या फिनाइल हाइड्राजोन. तो ये जो तुम्हारा होता है, दिस इज 2,4-DNP टेस्ट के फॉर्म में यूज होता है. दिस यूज फॉर द 2,4-DNP टेस्ट. ओके, इन विच द प्रोडक्ट विच वी गेट, that is a yellow color PPT. We get the yellow color crystalline product, and hence this reaction, basically this reaction used for conformation of CO group, carbonyl group. So this is used to test for the functional group. So 2,4-DNP test is a test to confirmation of the presence of carbonyl group. If suppose any compound having carbonyl group or not, suppose you have given some compound and you have to check whether that compound is carbonyl or not. So you can do any reaction of any nucleophilic addition reaction, but this reaction is actually visible and possible in the lab. So you can do this reaction. So suppose in test tube, so many test tubes are there, and in one test tube the carbonyl compound, and you have to check among 4 test tube which test tube containing CO group. So in all 4 test tube we are adding 2,4-DNP reagent, and in one test tube we are getting this yellow precipitate. So you can say this test tube 4, suppose test tube 4 is containing carbonyl group. So this is a confirmation of presence of carbonyl group. Okay. Now, so we have taken ammonia forms imine, hydrazine form hydrazone, phenyl hydrazine form phenyl hydrazone, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine form 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. So we have just discussed only ammonia and hydrazines. Okay. So now one more example. What is the next example that is also left? That this carbonyl group reacts with what? Hydroxylamine. Okay. What is the structure of hydroxylamine? NH2OH. and the same reaction always occur. So when any carbonyl compound reacts with ammonia derivative, there is always loss of water molecule, and you get what? The product already we have seen, that is a normal product, that is NOH, that is NZ. So if it is hydroxylamine, so the product is formed, which is called, what is that? This is called oxime. Okay. So hydroxylamine form oxime. So you have to remember the this example and the product, what product will form. ठीक है, तो आपको सिर्फ पता होना चाहिए कि हाइड्रोक्सिलामीन स्ट्रक्चर इज व्हाट एंड उसके इस रिएक्शन से प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्मिंग व्हाट. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर एग्जांपल लेफ्ट, दैट इज हाइड्रस सेमी कार्बाजाइड. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेमी कार्बाजाइड? NH2 NH C double bond O NH2. Okay, in this reaction also occur in the same way. What is loss of H2O? So again there is a loss of H2O by this side. Here there is a one reasoning question arises कि there is a 2 NH2 group present. This is NH2 and this is also NH2. So we can so why the reaction occur by this NH2 group only? तो यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा कि why this NH2 group is losing water molecule with CO. Why not this NH2 group? यहाँ से क्यों नहीं water loss हो रहा है? क्यों नहीं reaction?
वहाँ पे लोन वो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी कम होगी ना वो रेजोनेंस से, तो वो अटैक नहीं करता.
Correct. So what you can say, what is the reasoning for this? Ki, why this NH2 involved in this reaction? Why not this NH2? So Parth has said correctly that why this NH2. So you can see this in the form of okay. So this question also come in the this is the NCERT question and comes in the board exam also. Ki in semi carbazide, just I write the name of the compound also. Ki semi carbazide having 2 NH2 group, but only one involved in the reaction with CO. And what product? What is the product of this? Semi carbazone. So semi carbazide reacts to form semi carbazone. Okay. Now the question arises ki why this NH2 involved this reaction? Why not this NH2 involved this reaction? So simply he has told. So what is the reason? Ki this NH2, basically you can see the resonance. This, there is a 2 NH2 group, but only, okay. So why not this NH2 involved in the reaction while having the lone pair? Because due to lone pair only, they are behaving as a nucleophile and undergoing for nucleophilic addition reaction with CO. So why this? There is a lone pair, there is also lone pair. So why this lone pair involving in the reaction? Why not this NH2 lone pair involving in the reaction? So you can easily see, because what is the reason for that? This NH2 lone pair is involving in the resonance because this NH2 group directly attached with the carbonyl, and this carbonyl is electron withdrawing group. So this lone pair is delocalized to CO group. Okay, while this NH2 group is not directly attached with CO, this is directly attached with NH, and NH cannot take its electron, cannot delocalize or cannot withdraw its electron. So when you see the resonance, so you can easily understand what is the reason for that. So the NH2 group, which is directly attached to the CO, that lone pair delocalized towards CO group due to resonance. And due to this reason, you can see, first you see the resonance. So what happens? This lone pair, it's coming over here. So there is a formation of double bond NH2 positive. Now nitrogen acquire positive charge, and due to positive charge, now there is a no electron density or electron density decreases, and hence now it is not acting as a good nucleophile, right? So this is the reason that this lone pair only involved in the reaction because ये lone pair free है, electron density maximum है, so this nitrogen is behaving as a nucleophile. तो बेसिकली ये न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन है. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन इज ओनली पॉसिबल if nucleophile will be good nucleophile, means nucleophile will be electron rich. तो ये वाला नाइट्रोजन का लोन पेयर या डीलोकलाइज हो जा रहा है सीओ ग्रुप में, सो एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, सो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इज नॉट देयर, सो इट इज नॉट एक्टिंग एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल, सो इट डज नॉट अंडरगो फॉर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन. तो ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आता है, तो यू कैन राइट द करेक्ट आंसर along with this resonating structure also. I hope it is clear to all of you. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
so you can see this product formed, this is clear. Now see the mechanism. No, first question is, there is a one very important question for this ammonia and ammonia derivative. This ammonia and ammonia derivative reactions are pH controlled reaction. pH controlled reaction means all ammonia's derivative, ammonia and ammonia derivatives reaction occur at pH range 3 to 4. So question is this, why this pH controlled reaction, means why this reaction occur at this pH range 3 to 4. So when you see the mechanism, that will be clear. So then that time only you can understand about the answer of this question. Okay, so better we can see the mechanism. Okay, so when you see mechanism, you will understand what is the reason for this. So now see the mechanism. In this mechanism, what occur? Okay. So this ammonia and ammonia derivative reaction occur in presence of acid catalyst. Okay. So means pH ka range ka matlab, this is what we can say. This reaction occur in which medium? Acidic medium. Now you know acidic medium is again strong acid or weak acid. Okay. All of you know strong acidic medium is the pH range is 1 to 2. So we are not using the strong acidic medium. We are using what? Strong acidic medium or mild. We can say mild or we can say weak acidic medium, because this is occur at this pH range. So this all these reactions occur at this pH range, which indicate the reaction occur in the acidic medium, and this acidic medium is not the strong acidic medium but the mild acidic medium. Okay, so here by mechanism we can understand why not strong acid, why mild acid required, and why not occur these all reaction occur in basic medium also. Why basic medium is not required. Okay, so everything we can understand by seeing the mechanism. Without any discussion you can understand. Okay, because you know basic medium means the pH range is more than 7. Okay, so see the mechanism. So just I told this carbonyl compound reaction with ammonia and ammonia derivative occur in acidic medium, means H+. Okay, so this is the acid catalyzed reaction, means carbonyl first react. Now mechanism occur in so many steps. The first step in which carbonyl first reacts with this H+ acid, that is proton, and you know that is called protonation. And now protonation where occur? Also you know carbon and oxygen. Carbon is what? Positively charged. Oxygen क्या तुम्हारा? Negative है. And this hydrogen attack to where? This H+ attack to where? Positive पे या negative पे? That will be attack to negative, right? So before this also you have seen the resonating structure. ठीक है, दोबारा से बोलती हूँ. This carbonyl compound where the carbon is positive, oxygen is negative. So you know the pi bond shifted to this oxygen. Okay, and at this oxygen this H+ will attack, and hence formation of OH, right? तो यहाँ पे C पे क्या चार्ज होगा? ऑलरेडी यू नो द रेजोनेंस ना, जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग वंस अगेन कि रेजोनेंस में क्या होता है? C कैरीज पॉजिटिव चार्ज, O कैरीज नेगेटिव चार्ज, एंड दिस H+ is attacking at this hydrogen only, this oxygen only, and you are getting this product. Okay, so now carbon carry positive charge. So first step में जो carbonyl group होता है, that is first protonation occur by this H+ and form OH, and C+ means the formation of carbocation. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले जो इंटरमीडिएट बनता है, दैट इज कार्बोकेटायन. सो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोकेटायन. क्लियर? तो जब कार्बोकेटायन कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया, देन न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल अटैक, एंड यू नो कि ऑल अमोनिया एंड अमोनिया डेरिवेटिव्स आर गुड न्यूक्लियोफाइल ड्यू टू लोन पेयर. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग Z only. तो इस कार्बोकेटाइन पे now this nitrogen which having the lone pair, this will directly attack to this carbocation group, and you can see what product form. So this is the first step. In the second step, this hydrous ammonia derivative attack to the carbocation, and hence we get NH2Z NH2, I just write this NH2Z, and now there is a loss of this lone pair, so nitrogen acquire what charge? Positive charge, क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन ने अपना लोन पेयर तो कार्बोकेटाइन को दे दिया, तो नाइट्रोजन पे क्या आ गया? पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया. ओके, सो यू नो कि नाइट्रोजन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, तो इट इज नॉट स्टेबल, ये न्यूट्रलाइज होना जाएगा. तो व्हाट विल हैपन? यहाँ से H प्लस क्या हो जाएगा? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, यानी डीप्रोटोनेशन, एंड दिस pi bond, this electron will be goes to this nitrogen. So what you can see, so what happens next? Okay, so you can see this OH, NHZ. You are getting NHZ. And what is abstract over here? This H plus. This H plus is loss over here. Okay, so there is a loss of this H plus. So first step में protonation हुआ है, last step में deprotonation. Always I told कि where is the protonation occur, the deprotonation also occur. Okay, so here the addition of H plus and there is a loss of H plus. ठीक है? So now you are getting this addition product. You are getting this addition product. ठीक है? But again, because here one thing more, the OH is a good living group, or we can say the OH has tendency to accept this hydrogen H plus. So what will happen? Ki this OH minus, this H plus will be abstract, okay, and it's giving its electron over here, and there is a OH is also loose. Just I'm changing the color of the pen so that you can understand. So what happens next? This H plus will be abstract and this electron shifted over here. तो यहाँ से H plus और यहाँ से OH minus निकल जाएगा, because OH is a living group and H will be okay. तो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? H plus and OH minus. What will happen? There is a loss of water. And the what final product we are getting? The final product which you are getting, that is what? यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? H plus loss हो जाएगा, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा. So final product which you are getting, that is NZ. Okay, so this is the complete mechanism of this ammonia and ammonia derivative reactions. Okay, so I hope it is clear. You are getting this final loss of water product. तो यहाँ दो स्टेप होता है, फर्स्ट एडिशन प्रोडक्ट एंड देन फर्स्ट एडिशन प्रोडक्ट देन फॉलोड बाय कंडेंसेशन. सो ऑल अमोनिया अमोनिया डेरिवेटिव रिएक्शन इज द एडिशन एंड कंडेंसेशन. सो फाइनली यूर देयर इज अ गेटिंग C double bond NZ. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? प्रोटोनेशन. H प्लस ऐड होगा, किस पे होगा? O माइनस पे. तो कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्म्स, और इस कार्बोकेटाइन पे व्हाट अटैक्स? कार्बोकेटाइन पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करेगा. ठीक है, इसके बाद नाइट्रोजन पॉजिटिवली चार्ज हो गया, जो कि स्टेबलाइज होने के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा, ये अपने हाइड्रोजन वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन को, जिसकी वजह से H तुम्हारा इजीली डीप्रोटोनेटेड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और उसके बाद से ये OH माइनस इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ एक्सेप्ट करके OH माइनस और H प्लस के फॉर्म में, वाटर के फॉर्म में लूज हो जाएगा, एंड यू आर गेटिंग दिस फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म. बट इस मैकेनिज्म से मेरा अभी क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा पेंडिंग रह गया है कि हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस मैकेनिज्म बेसिकली डिसाइड कि द रिएक्शन अकर इन विच मीडियम? माइल्ड एसिडिक मीडियम. व्हाई माइल्ड एसिडिक मीडियम? व्हाई नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक? व्हाई नॉट बेसिक मीडियम? ठीक है, तो बेटर वी कैन सी इन नेक्स्ट पेज. ओके, सपोज इफ you are taking strong acid, okay, if suppose you are taking strong acid, because this reaction, this is the ammonia derivative, sorry, any ammonia derivative. Suppose if you are taking strong H plus, means strong acid का मतलब होता है जहाँ पे H plus concentration ज़्यादा है. तो if H plus is if the acid is strong acid, यानी H plus concentration ज़्यादा है, pH hydronium ion concentration ज़्यादा है, तो what will happen? अब यहाँ पे तुम्हारा क्या है, this is also nucleophile, ये भी नेगेटिवली चार्ज है, नाइट्रोजन इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव चार्ज. तो इफ वी टेक स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस H प्लस इफ वी टेक स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, तो दिस H प्लस यहां तो जा रहा है, बट इसके साथ साथ ये एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा, दिस न्यूक्लियोफाइल, नाइट्रोजन न्यूक्लियोफाइल एक्सेप्ट दिस H प्लस, एंड हेंस इट कन्वर्ट इनटू विच फॉर्म, NH3 प्लस. सो नाउ ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल इसकी कम हो गई, टेंडेंसी कम हो गई, सो इट इज नॉट टू मच रिएक्टिंग विद दिस CO ग्रुप. तो दिस इज द रीजन कि वी डोंट प्रेफर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, बिकॉज इफ वी टेक स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड तो H प्लस कंसेंट्रेशन विल बी मोर, सो दैट ऑल्सो रिएक्ट विद दिस अमोनिया. अमोनिया का जो लोन पेयर है उसके साथ वो रिएक्ट करके अमोनियम सॉल्ट बना देगा, ठीक है, एंड हेंस न्यूक्लियोफिलिक नेचर कम हो जाएगा, सो वी नॉट गेट the good yield or required yield, right? So strong acid not preferred. Now the second is, why not basic medium? Why not basic medium? Because if we take basic medium, suppose if we are taking basic medium OH minus, so what happens? Why not basic medium? In this case what will happen, you can see, इफ यू टेक बेसिक मीडियम, तो इस केस में जो तुम्हारा इंटरमीडिएट यहाँ पे ये जो लोन पेयर है, जहाँ पे, एक सेकेंड, यू कैन सी द मैकेनिज्म, आई कैन गो, ओके. तो यहाँ पे हमें प्रोटोनेशन चाहिए, बिकॉज वी नीड टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन, ओके. अगर कार्बोकेटायन बन भी जाता है तो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस इज न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो न्यूक्लियोफाइल, तो यहाँ पे इंटरफेरेंस हो जाएगा, वी विल नॉट गेट द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोडक्ट. तो दिस इज द रीजन कि बेसिक मीडियम इज ऑल्सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, ठीक है, क्योंकि मान लो ये तुम्हारा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, जैसे इस पे प्लस चार्ज आ गया, इस पे माइनस चार्ज आ गया, तो यहाँ पे दो न्यूक्लियोफाइल हो गए, तो ये तुम्हारा न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल अटैक एट दिस कार्बन, सो इट विल नॉट हेल्पिंग इन द रिएक्शन. सो दिस इज द रीजन कि वी डोंट प्रेफर बेसिक ऑल्सो. तो बेसिक मीडियम इज ऑल्सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. Now, so which medium is only required? Mild acidic medium required, means where the H plus concentration is optimum. So in that case, this H plus will be attacked to this oxygen only. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि ये H plus इस O पे अटैक करता है, नेगेटिव पे अटैक करता है, ठीक है, and hence we get sufficient amount of carbocation, and due to this carbocation, अब जो भी तुम्हारा नाइट्रोजन न्यूक्लियोफाइल है वो तुम्हारा इस पे इजिली एंड ज्यादा यील्ड फॉर्म करेगा. सो दिस इज द रीजन कि दिस इज ऑलवेज, दिस रिएक्शन इज ऑलवेज कैरिड आउट एट कंट्रोल pH, ठीक है. सो दिस इज माइल्ड एसिडिक मीडियम which is preferred. I hope it is clear to all.